Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and altcoins. We are going to see what are we going to do because eventually we had a crash back in the daily frame. You can see minus 4%, not a very huge crash, but this means something. We are going to explain it thoroughly here on Mind Your Crypto. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with what we are going to do. So basically what Bitcoin has been doing recently, it is that it has been going all the way up with a fake out to the top at plus 3%. You can see here back on Sunday, 29 January. We knew that we are going to have a huge price action in this thing that we called possibly a bullish pennant, but it wasn't yet until we would confirm the closing above the 78 on the RSI. If you remember yesterday, we talked about that the daily close should be above the 78. However, we had a daily close at 68. Okay, so now we got down from this triangle right here. Okay, so we are going to discuss a few things. First of all, going down from this triangle, it is not looking good for the short term of Bitcoin. However, I am very opposed to the idea that many of the YouTubers, of the tweets, of the financial advisors are saying that we are going to go all the way down below even the 16K. I'm very opposed to this idea. Why is that? Because I think that the bull cycle has started, right? And eventually, yeah, if we can do something like this and this is a slow start to the bull cycle, yeah, I can get that. I can understand actually this. However, I'm very opposed to the idea that we are going to see a new lower low where we are going to 10K and 12K on BTC. Personally, what I think about is that Bitcoin is not going to go all the way down there, but it is going to go probably now for the time being to the 21.6K. All right, this is the next stop. This is the next support level for BTC. It is very possible that we are going to 20.2K. It is very possible that we are going to 19.2K. All of these price targets right here could be the case that we are going now. 19.2K, you will say that, Bill, this is very bearish, right? No, it is not. It is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement after drawing the fib from the bottom to the top. It is not bearish, it is bullish. Okay, once we stop here, there is a very huge chance that Bitcoin would have the third actually impulsive wave point to the fourth. Okay, so right now you can see that the 19.2K could be serving as a major support level. Now you will ask me, Bill, what are these targets? 21.6K, 20.3K, what do they serve for? Are we going to see a buying pressure? 21.6K is the support bull band. Okay, what I mean by that is that if Bitcoin goes and holds this and eventually has another good buying pressure around the 22.9K again or something like that, then Bitcoin is probably going to go into the 25K and have the first support level as a major support level. And once you hold this, if you go and hold the support level, it is usually the case that you are going to go all the way up towards the 25K in just no time. Okay, this is going to be the super bullish thing. However, a good bullish scenario would be that we are going to face some lower low pattern to the 19.2K. Now, this will be fantastic. Why is that? Because the 19.2K will serve as a major support level. Is it possible to get even further down? Okay, it is, right? We are talking about Bitcoin being so long into a bearish cycle. I think that right now we are transitioning into a bull cycle. This is my personal and humble opinion. Okay, so we are going to transition into a bull cycle with the 19.2K being our first support level if 21.6K is lost. Now, some other people would tell me that, Bill, okay, we had this correction right here. We had this the breakdown of the bearish of an actual triangle back here with the RSI pattern, right? We had the breakdown. Could this be a fake out? It is very hard. Okay, it is very hard. I have to say that because some people might think that we are going to see a pump again. It is very hard that this was a fake out, but we will see. Okay, we will have to wait and see. For the time being, you can see that this candlestick right here, the red candlestick, is bigger than the green one. This indicates a slow and steady probable correction to the downside. Okay, so you can see that we are having this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, this is called a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and we should be going further down as well. But I am a little bit opposed to candlestick patterns. I have seen the market, and trust me on that, they use tons of fake outs if you work with candlestick patterns. So I would suggest you avoid them. Okay, now in the 1 hour scale, you can see that Bitcoin is holding well. The 4 hour frame indicates that it is not bullish. We are going to close soon enough. The red candlestick right here indicates that probably a selling pressure is going to come pretty soon enough in the shorter time frame, and these for altcoins would mean that they are going to follow, because Ethereum against Bitcoin as well, it is a little bit disappointing, and right now we are going to see next support levels. I think that a further correction will come into the crypto market. Always a possible scenario. Always, I'm saying that because it could be the case. Always a possible scenario before we see the correction. Even on the weekly scale, we could manage to go to the 25k. However, nothing more. Do not expect anything very huge in the crypto market, very bullish as of now. I would prefer BTC to go all the way down here to the 19.2k, and from there it is exploding. Why is that? Because a healthy correction will bring a healthy pump. Okay, an unhealthy pump will bring an unhealthy correction. Always remember that. Quick and fast, very huge pumps always bring quick and fast, very huge dumps. The same happens with every altcoin in the market, and so Bitcoin it is. However, Bitcoin tends to be more stable than the other altcoins. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.